Hey, this is Gadget Left Coast. I want to talk a little bit about doing conversions. Now, this is a conversion that I am repairing. It's not one that I did, but I think it's a good lesson for people. So a couple things going on here. One, when you're building a battery box, you should have connectors on the outside of the box should you need to service it so you can unplug it. In order to take out the upper battery box, I had to unwire everything because it was all fed inside. And also just trying to find all the bolts to get it unscrewed. I did get it out, but there's a second box here. This is the box that I need to get into. Turns out when they converted this, they used two different sets of batteries and they were at different voltages. And so they're off by about 50%. So the 5 that I need to get to are in there. So 5 of the 8 batteries in that box are at half the voltage of the other one. So it might take years to balance because they're off by 400 millivolts. To put that in perspective, normally the difference would be between 6 and 8 millivolts. So 400 millivolts is a lot. This will take many, many trips to try and balance. It's not worth it. And the way that it's set up right now, out of 16, you have 5 that are at half charge. When you charge up the pack, those are only coming up to less than half. And they are less than half the pack. So your whole range is going to be maybe a third of what it could be. I mean, I could do the math, but it's a problem. And it's gonna stress out these batteries because they're gonna go super low, and it'll stress out the other batteries because they're gonna go super high. But the thing that even makes this more difficult is trying to figure out how to get this battery box out. It's as wide as the car, and it's sitting on top of the frame. And I looked at this and I got underneath and I went all around. And what I realized is I'm going to have to take out all these frames in here that I can unbolt. I'm going to have to take out the drive motor. I'm going to have to take the suspension off of one side, probably this side, because I noticed that the wheel well was taken out on this side. What it looks like is they took everything apart, took off the suspension, and then took out the wheel arch. And then they were able to take this box, get it back here, and pull it out the side. Not the best for maintenance, but something to be aware of when you're doing a conversion, because sometimes you just need to work on stuff. So it's best to bolt things in, don't weld them in, make it so you can work on it. That's my thought for the day. Make it so you can do maintenance. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you found this useful. Like and subscribe. Write me, let me know your thoughts. And if you have questions, put them in the comments. I'll do my best to get to everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.